Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to save received documents from WhatsApp Web on your PC using the latest update. If you often receive important files through WhatsApp, this quick guide will help you download and organize them with ease. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats displayed just like on your mobile app. Next, look to the left side menu. You'll notice a new media icon. Click on it. This is your hub for all shared files, including photos, videos, and documents. From here, select Docs to filter out and find only the document files that have been shared with you. Now, once your list of documents appears, go to the top of the window and click on the Sort icon. This feature allows you to arrange your documents by type, date, or size. Since you're saving received files, it's best to choose Others. This option helps you find the documents not yet categorized in any folder. After sorting, click on the Select icon at the top. This enables selection mode, letting you choose multiple documents at once. You can select all the files you want to keep by simply clicking on each one. Once everything's selected, move to the Save As icon, also located at the top of the window. When you click it, a File Explorer window will open. Choose your desired destination folder on your computer. This could be your Downloads folder, your desktop, or any custom folder you'd like for organizing your WhatsApp documents. Finally, just click Save, and that's it. All your selected documents will be downloaded and saved to your PC in a matter of seconds. It's really that simple. The new WhatsApp Web update makes managing shared documents much smoother and more organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides.